Every Porsche 911 begins with carefully selected aerospace-grade materials. This is where precision manufacturing starts.
Massive aluminum coils are flattened with micron-level precision. The material is prepared for body panel production.
Computer-controlled lasers produce every body panel with exceptional accuracy. Each cut follows Porsche's digital engineering data. Powerful stamping presses transform flat metal into aerodynamic body panels. The Porsche silhouette begins to take shape. Robotic trimming removes excess material with incredible precision. Each edge is finished before inspection. Advanced scanners verify every panel within microscopic tolerances. Only perfect components continue.
The rigid safety structure is built using ultra-high-strength steel. Robotic welding ensures maximum precision. Laser-guided inspection guarantees structural accuracy. Every measurement must match Porsche specifications. The lightweight roof improves both performance and efficiency. Robots position every panel perfectly. Laser welding creates exceptionally strong, lightweight joints. The body shell becomes increasingly rigid. The iconic wide rear body is assembled with robotic precision. Perfect alignment is essential.
Structural rivets and aerospace adhesives strengthen the aluminum body. This combination improves rigidity while reducing weight. The front section is assembled with integrated crash protection. Every mounting point is digitally verified. The rear engine architecture requires exceptional structural precision. Reinforcements prepare the chassis for the powertrain. The completed body shell undergoes its final structural inspection. Next, it enters the paint shop for surface preparation. Every body shell is thoroughly cleaned before painting begins. A contaminant-free surface is essential for a flawless finish. The electrocoating process protects the body against corrosion. Every hidden cavity receives complete coverage. Controlled heat permanently bonds the protective coating. The body is now ready for primer application. Robotic primer application creates the ideal surface for paint. Every panel receives a perfectly even coating. Technicians perfect the surface before color application. Even microscopic imperfections are removed. The signature Porsche finish is applied with robotic precision. Each layer delivers perfect color consistency. The protective clear coat creates exceptional depth and gloss. It also protects the finish from UV rays and scratches. Heat permanently cures the paint system. The famous Porsche shine begins to emerge. Every painted surface is inspected under intense lighting. Only flawless bodies continue to final assembly.
The legendary Flat 6 engine begins as a solid aluminum casting. CNC machining creates precision engine components.
Cylinder heads are machined to extremely tight tolerances. Precision airflow begins with accurate machining.
The forged crankshaft forms the heart of the Flat 6 engine. Perfect balance ensures smooth, high-speed performance. Expert technicians carefully assemble every internal engine component. Every bolt is tightened to an exact specification.
The cylinder heads complete the Porsche Flat 6 engine. Valve timing is calibrated with exceptional precision.
Every Porsche engine is tested before entering final vehicle assemble. Only fully approved engines continue to the production line.
The body and powertrain finally come together. This critical stage is known as the marriage process.
The legendary rear-mounted Flat 6 engine is installed with millimeter precision. Automated systems ensure perfect alignment.
The adaptive suspension is engineered for both comfort and performance. Lightweight aluminum components improve handling.
High-performance braking components are installed for maximum stopping power. Every fastener is tightened to factory specifications. The steering system delivers the precise feedback Porsche is known for. Electronic calibration ensures perfect response. The fuel, cooling, and exhaust systems are integrated into the chassis. These systems prepare the vehicle for its first startup. Thousands of electrical connections power every intelligent system. Each wiring harness is routed with exceptional precision. The battery powers every electronic system throughout the vehicle. Digital modules begin communicating immediately. The driver-focused cockpit combines luxury with advanced technology. Digital displays are integrated into the dashboard.
The multifunction steering wheel provides direct control of performance systems. Electronic calibration guarantees precise steering feedback.
Performance seats provide exceptional comfort and lateral support. Every seat is electronically tested after installation. Premium materials transform the cabin into a luxury sports car. Every interior detail reflects Porsche craftsmanship. Automated glass installation ensures structural strength and weather protection. Precision sealing improves aerodynamics and cabin comfort. The exterior is completed with precision body components and intelligent lighting. Every panel is aligned to Porsche quality standards.
The Porsche 911 receives its final mechanical preparations. With its first engine startup complete, the vehicle is ready for comprehensive testing.
The completed Porsche 911 undergoes a comprehensive electronic inspection. Every onboard system is verified before dynamic testing begins.
Laser-guided alignment guarantees precise handling characteristics. Every suspension angle is adjusted to Porsche specifications.
Every braking system is tested under controlled conditions. Stopping performance must meet Porsche's highest standards.
Every Porsche 911 must pass an intense water tightness inspection. The cabin is checked for perfect sealing.
Engineers measure cabin refinement using advanced acoustic equipment. Noise and vibration levels are carefully optimized. The powertrain is tested under simulated driving conditions. Performance data is analyzed in real time. Every Porsche 911 is validated on a controlled test track. Engineers confirm real-world driving performance. Every visible detail is carefully inspected by quality specialists. Only flawless vehicles receive final approval. The premium interior is inspected for perfect craftsmanship. Every luxury feature must operate flawlessly. The finished Porsche 911 receives its final showroom detailing. Every surface is polished to perfection. Protective coverings safeguard the vehicle during transportation. Shipping documentation is matched to the vehicle's VIN. Completed vehicles enter the global logistics network. Every Porsche 911 is digitally tracked until delivery. Specialized enclosed transport protects every Porsche 911 during delivery. The vehicle is secured for its journey. After completing its journey, the Porsche 911 is prepared for its new owner. Final inspection ensures showroom perfection. From raw aluminum and precision engineering to one of the world's most iconic sports cars, this is how the Porsche 911 is made.